Okay, brilliant. So hi everyone and welcome to our very quick first going through of our challenge day 1 question. This one's on addition. So we have our question here. Let's read it out. It says fill in the blank and finish portioning these numbers. So we want to fill in the blank here and it's regarding addition. Okay, so we want to fill in this blank. So we need to also finish portioning the numbers. So portioning or partitioning could be used, and it basically means breaking up the numbers into smaller parts, right? So the number that we've got here is 528. It's a very big number. But here we've got to do an addition. We've got to say we do 500 plus what? Plus 8 to get 528. So let's try and break down this number first of all. So here we can see we've got 8 in the ones. We're going to take our 8 in the ones, okay? So we're going to try and break it down into our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. Okay, so we're going to break this number down. So in our ones, we've got the number 8, don't we? We can see 8 in the ones digit here. In our tens digit, we've got the number 2. 2 in the tens means 20. It means 2 tens. So we've got 20 in the tens. Here we've got the number 5 in the hundreds. 5 in the hundreds means 500, okay? It means 5 of 100. That's 500. Now, looking at this, we can just see which ones we're missing, right? To finalize our addition. We can see we've got 500 here, so we don't need this one. We can see we've got something missing in the middle, and we've got 8 here, right? So we can see that that missing thing has got to be our 20 here. It's really important when doing questions like this to look at the numbers very carefully and break down what exactly that number means. There's also another way to do this question, so I'll explain that now. This is our option 2. For the number 528, we can see that we've already got 508. Let's add those together. Okay, we've got 500 plus 8. This gives us 508 altogether. Now we want to get to 528. So we can imagine a number line, or we can do a subtraction to do this. We can do 528 minus 508. We can look at the difference between these numbers, and we notice that it's equal to 20. We can also think if we've got a number line, we've got 508 here, we've got 528 over here, and to get all the way up, we need to do 20, right? So we do a plus 20 on our number line. So that's our option 2. So our option 1, remember, was partitioning the numbers, okay? Which is the kind of desired approach for this question. Especially when you're doing things like the 7+ exam, they'll be really looking at how you can read and understand complex numbers, like this one here. Okay, great work, everyone. Thank you for paying attention in this recording.